Pendulum, the band. In Silico, an album. The cover art is sometimes called the Pendulum band logo. It's actually not their logo, but it is the logo for the album. And in the middle of it, you can see a fetus inside of what looks like some sort of digital maze or some other such thing. You might want to notice that the outside blue area is traces on circuit boards. What the heck is this? That's actually a fairly good question, because even the Wikipedia page just flat out didn't notice what this was. You'd have to have a specific experience to do this. Now, I'd like to remind everybody that Pendulum's band is composed of nerds, geeks, etc. So here we go. What is it? Well, here we see an ancient artifact from the before time. Radius Shackus circular contacts, PC board traces. Worn, gold-plated, obviously signs of intelligent life. It's a multimeter's rotary selector switch. Yeah, that's actually what it is. What it is it's a form of rotary encoder that's being implemented for doing switching in the circuit board. And it's literally the same thing. It's identical. Let's go back and look at this is the Pendulum In Silico album, not their logo. You notice the traces sometimes connect to an adjacent trace with a jumper. Other times they're literally free-floating in sequence. This is to set up patterns. It's not an actual rotary encoder because, in case you didn't notice it, it doesn't have a flower-like pattern. Rotary encoders have patterns that are predictable. They're very artistic looking. I'll include a link to one of those because I can, but it's a selector switch from a multimeter. One of the people in the band probably took apart their meter, a cheap one probably, and said, hey, that looks really pretty. I mean, it's almost identical to it. I mean, that's a really good example there, but it's blurry. But this is the cleanest image here I can show you. So that should solve the mystery if anybody had it. And yes, even the Wikipedia article has people guessworking it and not getting that literally what you're looking at is a multimeter's selector switch on a cheap meter. It's built in. This is a stage musician's friend because it's for figuring out whether the wiring works or whether the batteries are plugged in. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with all that.